Hey guys, we're just gonna start throwing some tile down. A couple of things we're doing, maybe not conventional and maybe not the right way to do it, but usually I'd use a laser level and make sure my lines were perfect. The bus isn't level. It's too hard to get it absolutely perfectly level. So I'm gonna go with the base of the tub. I did level the base of the tub, or the shower pan. So I'm going to go with the base of the shower pan, and then I'm going to just kind of build up from there and see how it works, show you how it works, and show you what we're doing. We're using an 1.25" trowel, 15 by roughly 15 by 4 tiles, and yeah, I'm kind of going to go through there. Don't forget to butter the back. We'll talk about that, show you how to do that. Buttering the back is vitally important when you're tiling. If you don't, it won't stick to each other. So. And first of all, I just like to get some on there and then trowel it after I've gotten some thinset on there. Makes it a little thicker today. We've already done kind of a mock tile layout of what we want, how we want it to look. So it's just a matter of putting her out there. Then I usually just hit it with the trowel after. Back buttering your tile is when you put thinset on the back of it. So I should have maybe got a smaller knife for that job. To make sure all the grooves in the tile are filled. And then probably have a wet sponge with you so that when you make a mess, as you're going to, you can clean it up. Hey there, it's grout time. We got a float, and basically we mixed up our grout already. We're going to go white, and we just push it into the holes, push it into the cracks as much as we can when it's got a little bit of a haze, wet sponge, and wipe it down. So I'm going to put the video on time lapse, and you can watch me do that. But other than that, here's what the shower looks like. We got a niche in there. Of course, wires hanging down. I'm not done the roof section yet, but we're going to grout it in pure white. So yeah, let the games begin. Hey guys, so yeah, this is kind of what it looks like now. I've gone over it a few different times. Apparently I ran out of battery power, the plug wasn't plugged in, something happened, so I don't know what you saw. But continuously going over it with clean water. I'm going to dump this once again. This will be my 4th bucket of water, and getting rid of that grout haze to bring back the shine of the tiles. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to dump this bucket one more time. You're going to continually see me going over and over and over it until this hazy stuff is gone altogether, and then just leaving it sit and letting it dry. Alrighty.